Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about one buy stock and one sell stock for tomorrow's trading session, that is 11th of April, friends. We are also going to discuss about Nifty and Banknifty and how they are traded throughout the entire day. Coming to the first point first, how did you like the video that just played, friends? The opening music. Do put it in the comments. There were a lot of efforts put to make that particular video. Okay, anyways, now coming to the stocks that were bringing the market up. So it was Grasim, Adani Ports, Wipro, Power Grid, Adani Enterprises, UPL and Larsen. These were the stocks which were pulling the market upwards. On the other side, the stocks which were actually pulling the market downwards were Bajaj Finance, Tata Consumer Products, HUL, Asian Paints, IndusInd Bank, and let me not forget to mention the name of Reliance. The reason for that will be shared shortly, friends. Coming to analysis for Nifty and Banknifty, what has happened here is simple. First Banknifty, you have already seen these two trades, okay, where this was straight stop loss at downside. This was a target met and then we moved our stop loss to 0, after which the stop loss was also met. Now these two are already done in today's live session. What happened after that is we took this particular trade, friends. Here we had a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, and how many points did we capture? That was really huge. We captured around 136 points here. When we were giving, we gave some 20, 30, 50 points. When we captured such a big move. Now what is important and what do we see, or why did we create a sell position here? The point is very important. Let's first understand that. See, Bank Nifty has taken its support at exactly 23.6 levels, and if I am drawing a Fibo from the recent top to the bottom, friends, okay, you would see that we have taken this trade exactly at 50% rejection. There was a kind of a double top pattern that it was forming, and that's where we shorted it, after which it went up and then continued, gave this breakdown and continued to go down. Is this the only reason by which we sold it? The answer is no. There are other reasons. Now look at this, friends. This is a trend line that was drawn in front of you in today morning session. Okay, so it broke the trend line and again went up to retest the trend line. At that retest, we also had a rejection of 50% here. Okay, the possibility of it to come down from there was very, very high, and Fibo was the main reason. Now I'm going to show you one more important reason. Please make a note of it carefully. Here we also saw something called a head and shoulder pattern that was being made. This was your left shoulder, this was your head, and this was your right shoulder, friends. And the chance of this right shoulder to go further down was very high. For that reason is what we chose it for a sell here, and we captured this big momentum. Okay, momentum that we captured was till here actually. Okay, after this what happened is we thought that this particular support can act like a support and it might go up, and so we took an exit here. Otherwise this was a very good momentum that it gave after our exit. What's next? See, now there is also an important thing that you should be noting. Now if I am drawing a Fibo here from recent top till the bottom, okay, when it started going down, it went to the point where from where the 38% comes exactly at this particular support zone. Okay, now by now, with all these points that are discussed and all this information that is given to you, you should have definitely hit the like button, friends. If you have not yet hit the like button, you would not be learning so much, friends. Anyways, at this particular level, it has started to come down again, and the chances of it to go down is further there now. Coming to Nifty, in fact, in the morning session, we also missed this particular short. Okay, we were going to short at this level because we had a 50% rejection even there. Okay, for today's Fibo, today's top was here and bottom was here till then. So exact 50% rejection and downward momentum. If you have seen that video, you will see that we waited for this particular, we did not take this trade for only one reason, that is because Nifty was outperforming at that particular point. At that point, Nifty was above the high, the day high. That is the reason we did not take that particular trade at that time. But I made it very clear that we would be shorting at this particular level. After this levels, I told that we would be shorting Banknifty and we would be looking for buy in Nifty. See, Nifty, actually, if you look at the chart side by side, you would see Nifty has not broken this trend line which we have drawn in the morning today. But Banknifty has already broken the trend line and has gone further down. What do we see now? We see a head and shoulder pattern which is partially formed in Nifty. But Banknifty, the head and shoulder is completed. And what would be the target? The target in this case would be this top, friends, this much. So if I move it here, the target is somewhere here, which is very close to this particular line, which is also drawn with the help of Fibo supports. Okay, I hope I made everything very clear when it comes to Nifty and Banknifty. Now, if you are looking forward for a video or analysis for Nifty as well, please go ahead and put it in the comments, friends. If there are multiple requests coming in for Nifty, we would do analysis for Nifty as well. Moving ahead, we are going to discuss about our buy stock and sell stock. So first, the buy stock that we are choosing is HDFC Bank, friends. The reason is simple. See, if I'm drawing a, first things first, if I'm drawing a Fibo from the recent bottom to the top, we see that it is exactly at the 23.6 levels from where it has retraced. Now point number 2, when Banknifty gave a breakdown of the head and shoulder, HDFC Bank did not give that breakdown. It could sustain above that levels. So that is the reason we are selecting it for a buy. Now what we would do is, those of us who want to be very safe can wait for this breakout, a very small breakout that I'm showing, for you to create buy positions. Otherwise, you can create buy at this level, friends. If in case it is crossing this level and going further down, this is also a place where we can create a buy position, that is at 1652. Anything below that is what we would ignore this particular stock, friends. Coming to the sell stock, I told you sometime earlier that we are going to discuss about Reliance shortly and why I have put it in the category where it was pulling the market down. So see, friends, this was an important support line for Reliance. This was an important support line. When did it break the support line? It broke the support line at about 155. At that time, Banknifty 155 candle was here. It still did not break the support line. But Reliance had already broken the support line. That is the reason we consider it to be weak. Okay. Now, other reasons for which we are going to sell is, see, if we draw this particular trend line, you have seen that the trend line is broken and it has come to retest that particular trend line already. Okay, this trend line is broken, this trend line is also broken. Now, what more do you want for sell? We need some Fibo reason. From the recent bottom to the top, if I am drawing a Fibo, you will see that it has crossed the 61.8 levels and there were candles that formed below the 61.8 levels. So the possibility of it to go further down is very high. So with all reasons, or 4 reasons, is what we are going to select Reliance for a sell. We create sell positions in Reliance. Simple, we would go ahead and move this Fibo to like this. Okay, this is your top, this is your bottom, and our sell positions can be created at this level, which is 2340, and maximum or best place where we can sell would be this level at this particular trend line, friends, which is 2345, a very fancy number. If we sell here, we can go ahead and target the top bottom as the first target. Second target would be this low here, friends. Okay, this would be a very big target. If this is achieved, well and good. So that's how we can create sell positions in Reliance. I hope you liked the video, friends. If you did, please hit the like button. Also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from Indian stocks. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow.